Baby's first foods.
Do you want to feed her some and I'll take a picture of you? Feeding her some? Come here. You want more, don't you? You're so excited. You're so excited. What do you think? What do you think? Look at Daddy.
Already wiping the face. Look at that.
That was pretty smooth, Caitlin.
Look at that. Oh. She doesn't like it.
She doesn't like it?
She made a face.
Lizzie wouldn't eat any of it. I don't know if you remember when we tried to give her rice cereal. I think she seems relatively interested.
Yeah, she's looking down. Where's the bowl? Where is it? Oh, hands out. She's grabbing the spoon. Look at this. Where is this? Oh.
Yeah, she definitely likes it.
She's grabbing for the spoon.
Are you recording it? Here, there's a spoon. Oh my goodness, right to the mouth. Good job, sweetie. Mwah. Oh, don't put the bowl. Yeah, you'd like to have the whole bowl, but there's not that much more in there.
Wow, she knows how this works right away with the spoon. Look at that.
That's good, huh?
If you're related to us, you're going to be a good eater.